Welcome to the 2018 workshop of the Benchmarking Initiative for Multimedia Evaluation, otherwise known as MediaEval. The workshop is dedicated to pursuing new research in multimedia, comparing algorithms, and driving forward the state of the art.
Hi, I'm Saskia. We're here in Eurocom for the MediaEval 2018 workshop.
Hello, my name is Armin. I'm from the University of Applied Sciences and we participated in the multimedia social media satellite image task.
I'm Dmitry Bogdanov. I'm one of the co-organizers of Acoustic Brain's music genre recognition task in MediaEval. And the idea of our task is to recognize genre automatically based on audio features.
I am Claire-Hélène Desmarty from Technicolor, and I am one of the organizers of the memorability task, which is running for the first time.
My name is Hayley Hung and I work at Delft University of Technology.
Abi Constantin, I'm organizing the movie recommender task and the memorability task.
And together with Lara Cabrera-Crios and also Ekin Gedik, then we proposed the task this year and we'll also continue it next year on no audio speaking detection.
It's really nice being here and an interesting experience. So far the tests are going good and I really like the level of participation for this conference.
I would say that I was really impressed by the high level of scientific level of presented, contributions and the tasks.
I'm Maciej Wysokiński from Simula in Norway.
Hello, my name is Yashar Delju. I'm the task organizer for movie recommendation.
So I'm Pierre Bruno. I'm from the Luxembourg Institute of Science and Technology. And actually, currently, I'm working on a project called PubliMap, where we're interested in getting data from the social media about flood events and extract information related to floods into that. So I was really interested in a multimedia satellite task.
It was a great experience because we could discuss with so many researchers in the same field, and it was a huge experience for me.
As the scale of the conference is quite still small, so it's interesting to meet people and talk about stuff, maybe which in bigger conferences you may not do as we do here.
Hello, my name is Matthias. I'm from Austria, from Frankfurt University.
Hi everyone, I'm Zhengyu from Red Bull University, and now I'm a second year PhD candidate, and it's also the second year I was in the MediaEval workshop.
My name is Yu Feng, so I'm coming from the Leibniz University Hannover.
We have been organizing Game Story for the first time, so that's a new task on how games can be summarized, and we chose, actually were chosen kind of, by Counter-Strike Go, so that's what we got for the data. That's the game we wanted to summarize.
The task I was participant in is called Multimedia Satellite Task. So basically we will do classification on both social images and also the satellite images.
My current working project is really relevant to the task multimedia satellite task here. And so our project is to want to use the crowdsourcing to extract flooding relevant things from the social media.
We think that Game Story is extremely relevant because there are so many people watching games over game streams in the internet, and summarizing those game streams would definitely help for them finding the right content.
The interesting part of this year is that we added questions in advance so we can communicate with people also from other tasks. So it really helps.
So, which was the most memorable moment at MediaEval 2018?
Probably it was the icebreaker.
I think 2018 had a pretty rough start.
Big flood on the first day.
So we are just standing in the rain and everything bad.
We are also climbing the hills, and so there are a lot of water.
Drippingly wet, but still happy enough to go on with MediaEval, and that didn't interfere with their actually opinion. So it was still fun while everybody was completely wet.
Probably the best type of icebreaker that there will ever be.